Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm going to be unboxing Glossybox September beauty box. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I don't normally look like this. I've literally just come back from a trip away to Greece. My husband just picked me up from Bristol. I've come back to lots of boxes. I've thought I would tackle 2 of my subscription boxes today. This is a PR box. Glossybox kindly sent this box for me to unbox on my channel. You'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as any discount codes I can find. I do have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to £5 off. If I can find any other discount codes, then I'll pop them down there as well, and any other offers Glossybox have got running. Plus you'll see all my other discount codes and advent calendar information and everything like that, as well as any giveaways I've got running. You'll find it listed down in my description, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to seeing what's inside. I haven't opened it up yet. As I've said, I've literally come back about half an hour ago. Yeah, I am a bit of a sweaty mess, but I had an amazing time. Oh my gosh, Mykonos, 3 nights, absolutely amazing island. It nearly did all go wrong. I put a post up on Instagram last night explaining a little bit about what happened. Missed flights, having to travel all across England. And then accommodation cancellations and things like that. But yeah, definitely worth it, definitely. Here's a little sneak peek anyway. We got a QR code, and the theme this month is September Senses. So let's scan this QR code, find out more information. As always, I took my cameras with me, vlogged the whole thing. So if you're not already following me on my travel channel, because I separated them, I was adding all my travel content on here, but I just thought it's just too confusing, the algorithm and all that. So I've set up a travel channel a couple of months ago. It's Diary of a Travel Geek. It's down in my description. My Mykonos trip will be up on that channel in the next couple of weeks or so. I've just scanned this and it's just taken me to the subscription page. No information about the products in the box or any sneak peeks for September. Yeah, I can't give you any information. Besides that, I haven't told you how much it costs. This is a UK glossy box. There are other glossy boxes around the world, but what you're seeing in this video, just for the UK, it costs £13.75 a month. That's for a rolling subscription. They do offer other types of subscriptions where you can pay up front, and you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside you'll find 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related, plus you also get now and again a freebie, usually a sweet treat like a chocolate bar or something like that, which is always exciting. Obviously I like my food, so I love a sweet treat. But I think that's about it really. So yeah, here's another little sneak peek again. I'm not with it at all. I'm not with it at all. Starting off then, we have got Daily Concepts. This is a daily round silicone scrubber. I thought it was a makeup brush cleanser, but it's not. It's for your body. I was thinking, I haven't seen this before because they look different. Could be used as a makeup brush cleaner as well by rubbing your brushes in there with a bit of soap on. But no, this is for your body. It's a body scrubber. So you would rub your body like that. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels so nice. Yeah, so to exfoliate your skin, and it's nice and gentle. You're not going to cause lots of scratches and things with this. So we got a daily round silicone scrubber there. This is Vino Daily Moisturizer Body Lotion. Nourishes and protects normal to dry skin. Clinically proven, instant and long-lasting hydration. Helps replenish skin's natural moisture with nourishing oat. And there's 100 ml here, and it claims to provide 48 hours of hydration. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Let's try a little bit on my hand. Oh, does it smell? No scent. No scent. Oh, that feels so nice. Yeah, I like that. We've got a daily moisturising body lotion. Next, Wild Science Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum. Lift, firm and brighten delicate skin. 1% bacterial and hyaluronic acid. And there is 7 ml. So it's a little mini there. But because it's for your eyes, you'll literally only need like a tiny dot. So it will last you a while. Oh, there's me saying that. And then I put a load on there. See? Wasting it. That's got a nice natural smell. I can't describe what it is. But no, that's nice. Well, it feels nice on my skin anyway, but it's for my eyes. There's no extra information, just the ingredients on the back there. So it's a renewal eye serum. Night shift, I'm assuming you apply it at night. We'll have to have a look online for more information about that. But there's that. Oh, I love these. Oh, I love this. I wonder if it's the same colour. This is Staniac by The Balm. It's a lip stain lipstick. Oh, I love them. I'm sure it's the same colour of what I've already got. Hint of a tint for cheeks and lips. I don't use it for cheeks. A lot of people do, but I don't. I like it for the lips. Shade Beauty Queen, I'm not sure, but it looks identical to one I had in a beauty box a couple of months ago. Right, I am doing this blindly now because I'm using my GoPro to film this and I can't see what the screen is. So let's try. There, I'm not filming any more videos after this. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. It is gorgeous. It is the same colour. I'm sure of it. So you can apply a thin layer. I tend to put about 2 on. It just gives a really glossy pinky red finish, and then it stains. It stays all day through eating, drinking, the lot. It stays all day and I love it. It's just super lightweight. It's like a glossy tint, but it just leaves a nice gorgeous stain on your lips. So I've got another one now. I keep meaning to have a look to see if they do different colours, because I would honestly buy different colours in that because I love it. It's so good. I am opening up a Grace and Stella. It's a rose spray for your face, and this is spray all day hydrating facial spray. And that's the outer packaging. I have had a shower this morning. I haven't washed my hair, but I have had a shower. But I just need another one. You know, you just feel grubby after travelling and things. Ugh. So what's this say about it? Oh, it just says miss 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. Well, that's what it looks like. I can't remember what it's like. I have had this before. Right. Woo! Oh, yeah. It's got that rosy smell I don't like. Gotta be honest. But it's very subtle. It's not really strong, and you know, it's just a rosy smell at the end of the day, isn't it? It's not like I'm applying a perfume or a body lotion or anything like that. That's going to linger. Oh, my eyes want to water now. The eye is wanting to water. But no, I can't even smell it now. No, only when I sprayed it on my face. But yeah, hydrating facial spray has a nice little size. Nice little travel size. I do like a spray. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. I'll just go through, or giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Daily Concepts. This is a daily round silicone scrubber. I initially thought it was to clean your brushes, but no, it's to clean your body. Then afterwards, once you're fully buffed, you've got the Aveeno. This is a daily moisturising body lotion. Nourishes and protects normal to dry skin. We've got a Wild Science Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum. We've got a Staniac by The Balm. It's a lip and cheek tint. And lastly, we've got Grace and Stella Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I think it's a nice little box this month. We've got some great products in there. I haven't tried Wild Science before, so that's new. The Aveeno Body Moisturiser. It feels really nice on my hands, and I left my hand feeling really nice and soft. Yeah, really chuffed with the Staniac. I've got another one now. So chuffed to that. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and you will see me back to my normal cleaner self next time. Take care. Bye.